hate to tell you this, but you need clean makeup brushes. I prep my eyelids with concealer, and I'm taking my bronzer shade and contouring my eye socket. Soft Glam is all about mimicking your natural shades and deathly your eyes with eyeshadow that are blended out. On my mobile lid, I'm using a tan shade and I'm applying it right in the center, and I'm diffusing it into that bronzer. With these looks, you need to start with a light hand, light pressure, and light shades, and build up the intensity with having smaller brushes for the darker shades. I will go back and forth with each brush and each shade to get my desired look. Smoothing everything out the edges of this look with bronzer and translucent powder. I accidentally put some felt tip liner when I was lining my eyes, and I'm fixing that by applying that lid shade again, just gently in the center, just gently pressing it. Makeup is all about layers, so if you work in layers, you're good. I applied some loose pigment at the end of my look. I just love Soft Glam. I hope this was helpful.